Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to make magic circle. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified on our next videos. Okay, let's start. Hold the yarn with your right hand and the hook with your left hand. And this is how you make magic circle. Hold the yarn with your thumb and wrap it around your 3 fingers. Then with your little finger, hold the yarn in place, like this. Then with your hook, pull the yarn from under, like this, and twist. Pull and twist, like that. And then get the yarn that you are holding in place and pull it through. Pull it through the loop and tighten it. So that's how you make magic circle. Let's do it again. So hold the yarn, wrap it around, hold it in place, pull from under, and then twist, pull the yarn that you are holding in place, pull it through the loop, and there you go. Then tighten it, and then you are ready for the next round. Okay, that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.